Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a Facebook account from an Android phone. First and foremost, open your web browser and log in to your Facebook account. Once you've done that, follow these steps. Tap on the three lines located on the side to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In the settings, go to Personal Information and Account Ownership. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then select Deactivation and Deletion. You will be given the option to either temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it with no chance of recovery. Tap on Delete Account, then tap on Continue with Account Deletion. You will be asked why you want to delete your account. You can choose Privacy Concerns and tap on Continue with Account Deletion. If you want to continue using Facebook Messenger instead of deleting the account, you can deactivate it instead. Scroll to the bottom and, if desired, download your information by tapping on the Download Your Information button. After that, tap on Delete Account. Enter your password, then tap on Continue. You will be asked again if you want to permanently delete the account. Tap on Delete Account. Now, keep in mind that it will take a mandatory 30-day waiting period for the account to be permanently deleted. During this time, if you change your mind, you have the option to recover the account in order to download any forgotten content or view memories on Facebook. This is how you can permanently delete a Facebook account from your Android phone and explore the options to download your information before proceeding with the deletion. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.